If you've ever opened your lunch at work only to realize it's cold, dry, or just not worth eating anymore, you know how quickly that ruins your day. And relying on a shared microwave, or worse, not having one at all, just makes it more frustrating. So today, we're taking a closer look at this cordless heated lunchbox, a portable electric food warmer designed for busy professionals, commuters, and anyone who want a proper hot meal without depending on a kitchen. This is built for people who carry home-cooked food but don't always have access to a microwave when they need it. Right out of the box, this feels more like a complete system than just a lunchbox. The design is clean and practical, with a sturdy outer shell and a compact form that still manages to hold a full meal. It comes with an insulated carrying bag, utensils, and a stainless steel container, which immediately makes it feel ready for everyday use. It's not overly bulky, but you can tell it's built with function in mind rather than just aesthetics. The inner container is where things start to stand out. It's made of stainless steel, which not only feels durable, but also avoids that plastic taste you sometimes get with cheaper containers. The lid seals tightly with a silicone edge, so you don't have to worry about leaks in your bag. That's especially important if you're commuting or carrying liquids like curries or sauces. The controls are simple but modern. There's an LCD and a timer, which sounds like a small feature, but it actually makes a big difference. Instead of guessing when your food might be warm, you get a clear idea of what's happening. The one-touch operation keeps things straightforward, so you're not fiddling with complicated settings during a busy day. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where a product like this either proves itself or falls short. The 360-degree heating system is noticeable right away. Instead of just heating from the bottom like older lunchboxes, this one warms food more evenly. That means no cold spots in the middle and no overly hot edges. In real-life use, room temperature meals heat up in around half an hour, which fits nicely into a typical work routine. You can switch it on before a meeting or while finishing up a task, and by the time you're ready to eat, your food is properly warm. For refrigerated meals, it takes a bit longer, closer to 40 minutes, but the result is consistent. It's not just warm, it's evenly heated, which makes a big difference in taste and texture. The cordless feature is probably the biggest advantage here. With a built-in battery, you're not tied to a wall socket. Whether you're in a car, at a construction site, or even outdoors, you can heat your food without planning around power access. The battery life is solid enough to get you through multiple heating cycles, which add the level of flexibility that traditional lunchboxes just don't offer. In terms of daily use, it's surprisingly easy to live with. Cleaning the stainless steel container is straightforward, and since it's removable, you're not trying to wash the entire unit awkwardly. The sealed lid helps prevent spills, and the overall setup feels reliable enough for regular commuting. Noise is minimal, so you won't feel self-conscious using it in a quiet office environment. That said, it's not perfect. The heating time, while reasonable, isn't instant. If you're expecting microwave-level speed, this might feel a bit slow. You do need to plan slightly. Also, the overall size, while practical, might feel a bit large if you're used to very compact lunchboxes. It's designed to carry a full meal, so there's a trade-off between capacity and portability. Another thing to consider is the price. It's more expensive than a standard lunchbox, but you're paying for the heating capability and portability. If you rarely need to heat food on the go, you might not fully benefit from what it offers. Compared to other heated lunchboxes in the same range, this one stands out for its cordless design and more even heating. Many alternatives still rely on plugging into a car or wall outlet, which limits where you can use them. This feels more flexible and a bit more refined in how it handles everyday use. So who is this really for? If you're someone who regularly brings meals from home and struggles with access to a microwave, this can genuinely improve your routine. It's especially useful for office workers, drivers, and field professionals who need reliable, portable heating. If you just need a basic lunch container, though, this might be more than you need. At the end of the day, this is one of those products that solves a very specific problem and does it well. It won't replace a full kitchen, but it makes sure you're not stuck eating cold meals when you don't have to. If you want to check current pricing or availability, there's a link in the description. And if this helped you decide, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest, real-world product reviews.